Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable battery power saving mode on your Motorola Moto G22 or any Motorola Moto G series. And also I'll be explaining all of the settings that comes with battery power saving mode. So to enable our power saving mode, the basic way is to go to the settings. From here find battery, go for battery saver and enable it right here. The second way is to scroll down your toolbar, scroll down even more. From here move to the next step, and by default it should be right here, battery saver. So you enable it by pressing on it, and when it lights in the white or blue, it will be on. And now in order to go for the options again, you can also hold your finger onto it and you'll get to battery options. So let's move to battery saver, disable it for now, and here there's a few options. They are a bit limited, but there are also options, so let me explain all of them. First one is set a schedule, so if you press on it, you'll be able to set up a schedule for automatic battery power saving mode, and if you change it to based on percentage, you'll be able to pick from what percent battery power saving mode will enable automatically. So for example, you can set it to 50, and when your battery reaches 50%, your battery saving mode will turn on. Now let's go back and go for turn off when charged, and if you enable it, your battery power saving mode will disable when you plug in the charger to this phone. So when it reaches 90%, it will automatically turn off. And now let me explain what battery power saving mode actually does. And here you have a little disclaimer what actually happens. The first thing is, as you noticed, it changed to dark mode, so our phone doesn't have the white background anymore. And actually, it's for me it's better, but it doesn't drain as much battery when the dark mode is enabled. It limits or turns off background activity. So, for example, if you have the Google Photos and you constantly upload photos to the cloud while not actually accessing it won't happen automatically anymore. Your photos won't be uploaded. Some visual effects might be a bit lower if you notice them. Certain features and some network connections might be disabled, so you might have problem with connecting to a mobile hotspot or creating one. And that's also the synchronization behind the Google Photos, and it will lower the performance of a few apps by background activity. So that's actually it for these settings. Let me actually show you one more thing. So right now battery saver is on, and it takes 19 hours and 40 minutes till our battery discharges. And now let's disable it, move back, and it takes 19 hours and 40 minutes also. So yeah, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.